Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. So today I'm going to show you how you can link any image on your Wix site to any of the page or any other URL or anchor points in your site. So here as you can see I have added an image, and once you click on the image you can see these options, and here is the option of the link, which is the third last option. If you click here, it will ask you what do you want to link to. So if you click none, it is not connected to anything. As you can see, it has an image as well. If you click here, you can see it is given a page, so you can connect this to any of the page in your site. So for example, I will just connect it to a page called nature. So we do get an option to how you want to open it. So if you want to open it to a current window itself, then you can put this on. Otherwise, if you want to open that into other tab or another window, then you can click this, and you can then click done after making the changes. The other option is web address. You can add any of the link to this. You can add any of the URL that you want, and if you want to take users from clicking this image to the URL, you can add URL here. And here also there are the same options of the new window or current window to open the link. The other option is anchor. So this anchor option we can do when we have anchor points in our site or any of the page. So for now there is no anchor point, so I will once do separate tutorial on this anchor option. So let's get to the other option, which is the top or bottom of the page. If you want to take users to the top after clicking this image, you can select this. Otherwise, if you want it to happen to the bottom, then click on the bottom and click done. The other option is document. We can add document as well as PDF to this. If you click here, choose file. As you can see, you can upload the media or files, and once it comes here, then you can choose that and select that. So once someone clicks this image, then they can download the document or the PDF. The other option is email. You can also add the email subject as well as you can add the email address. The other option is the phone number, and the last option is a lightbox. You can add the lightbox. I will also add a tutorial from the lightbox how you can add lightbox as a link. So thanks folks, this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video.